I have completed the usability test which compare Google Docs with Microsoft Word. There were many useful aspects of each program. However, I found a very useful tool in Microsoft Word which does not exist in Google Docs. The tool I am talking about is the ability to create worksite or bibliography that can be automatically generated and put into the document so that the user does not have to repeatedly type the citation. I will explain it now how to use this tool. First, I go to the reference toolbar and select Manage Sources. After I click Insert Citation, I will select New. Now I have a box which will allow me to create a source for my document. After I choose OK, you can see that the source has been added to my master list. You can see in the preview box what the source will look like within my document. Now I will show you how to insert the source into the document. Let's see, I have some information here and I need to cite that information. I simply put my cursors exactly where I need to insert the source, and then I select Insert Citation, and I select the citation from the drop-down list. As you can see, the source has been inserted into my document. I have the opportunity to edit my citation or the source itself. At the end of my document, I will likely need a worksite or bibliography. This tool will also create an automatically generated bibliography. I put my courses at the end of my document, and then I select bibliography to be so. It could be a regular graphy, it could be reference, or it could be a work site. I click the option and the automatically generated bibliography is entered into my document. This is a very beneficial tool, and I hope that people learn how to use it because it is convenient and easy to use. Thank you.